Hey guys, welcome to another one of my videos. In this video, you're going to see me show this new puzzle box that I made. So, it might look somewhat similar to one that I've done in the past, because I have used that same base plate, but this one, I don't have any adding onto the top, and there's no key or anything. So, let's get to solving this thing. So first off, you have your drawer right there, which you will have to pull out eventually. But yeah, so your first step is you move this slide lock there, pushes that out, so boom. Then right there, push that. You get this little thing, which does nothing. Then right here, you push that, and you have to finish pulling it out. But then you have to whack out your box. So this can take a bit of effort. Oh, first hit that time. But yeah, then you get your box. So yeah, the way that it is held in there without the lock is a little Technic pin goes right in there and holds it. Yeah, that is your lock right there. Yeah, you can see that little thing coming out. That goes in that groove. Yeah. So that is this puzzle box. And yeah. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, if you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you know whenever I get new videos, and leave comments in the comment section for things you would like me to do for in the future. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.